Hey guys, now we're going to pick up the video where we left off. So, this is also going to go through some troubleshooting if things went wrong. So, one thing you want to check, after everything is done, you want to make sure you run this up to, and I'm not going to do it all the way, but at least 3. You want to listen for any rubbing, and you want to see where the belt actually is sitting. And the one thing I learned on this is really you do want to take small turns, and you definitely want to count the turns. I did have some issues with this, and this is where I'm going to show you how to fix that here in a moment. So after you know this is good, you're going to go ahead and slow this thing down for yourself. And what you're looking for now is you want to see, and you have to do this at a slower pace to make sure that you don't feel any slippage. This is important to go slow and go for a long period of time, maybe a minute or 2, just to see how the treadmill is behaving here. Again, you're listening for any grinding, scratching, rubbing, and if you don't feel any slipping, like you notice my legs are not, there's no issues here, so we're good to go. So we're going to continue testing this till we're comfortable. If there is a problem and you feel a little slipping, what you want to do is you want to take your wrench while the treadmill is on the floor, and you want to do, again, no more than half turns in here. So this would be like half right here, and do them evenly. Now we're going to talk about the segment of what if things go wrong and what if you messed up something. So if you got a line, this is the end of the video. If you need more troubleshooting, this gets interesting. This is like tuning. You really have to take your time, or make the time to do this correctly, or take it to a professional to have it realign for you. If things went wrong and your belt starts sliding over to these points over here and starts rubbing, first off, make sure you run at lower speeds so you can stop it very quickly in case something goes wrong with the remote or with the power switch down there on the bottom. If things went all the way wrong, you want to go ahead and back this off completely until it's leaving that little part right here, till it's almost all the way loose. And the same thing with the other one. And then what you want to do is you want to evenly, like, do 2 turns here, 2 turns here, get it all equaled out, run it, and run it. The tuning can be quite frustrating. It took me about an hour or so to get it exactly right. And what I did here, in case you're wondering, is I did remove the back cover to clean here. This slides right back in here. And I used it to get it clean. If you guys have any questions or issues, before you take this on, you want to ask more questions, I'm here to help. My channel is all about stuff and things and helping people do stuff and things. Till next time, take care.